We'll guide you through how to add and use keyframes in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and add in what you want to go and keyframe. For me, it's this photo here, and you can keyframe different things. In this case, we're going to be focusing on the transform feature though. So go and place your playback cursor where you want to start. For me, it's right at the start of the clip or whatever it is. And we can then go to the top right and we can go and start adjusting how you want it to go and start. So I want it to start like this. After you've made the first position, click on the add keyframe button in the top right. You'll notice a diamond appears in the video, and you can then go and start moving the cursor through it and then deciding where you want the keyframe to be. So in this case, I'll go and adjust it, and then it should automatically make the keyframe as we've made one already. You can then go and adjust the playback cursor and choose the next move you want it to go and make. Now, when I play it back, you'll go and see it moves. If you found this useful, then leave a like.